Hi, I'm Captain Chris, sunny Florida. It's December the 1st, and you're probably wondering, what should I do for gifts for my favorite crew members this year? Well, we've got just the thing for you. Actually, two things. Come to Florida where it's warm. The only white we have is on our white sandy beaches. And number two, the weather's great, and then you can attend our classes. We've got two different classes. One is called Cruising Fundamentals, emphasis on the fun, and we'll teach things like charting, in fact, all the way down to Florida. So we'll teach you how to use the charts, how to read the charts, the rules of the road, trip planning, and other things that we'll do will include electronic communication, both with charts and also with the radio. I've got a 5-watt handheld VHF radio here, and you can also use a 25-watt radio built into your boat. Other things we'll do in Cruising Fundamentals will be anchoring. So here, I've got a small replica anchor. This would be like a Danforth style anchor. So we'll teach you about the different types of anchors that are better than other type of anchors, depending on water bottom conditions. And then also, we'll show you where is the best place to anchor, considering the tide and the wind. So if you've got any questions about Cruising Fundamentals, look down here at the bottom, click on the link, Ask Captain Chris.